Hello. Thank you. I'm a Chief Poetic Officer here to re-enchant the world with poetry, and the poetic speech that I have for you today is called The Climate Justice Poetic Resistance. Houston, we have a problem. Let me rephrase that. Humans, we have a poem. Oh, Captain, my captains. In the beginning, the earth was flat. Then it became round. And if we just switch up the letter H of our humanity, the earth might turn into a heart. All we need is love, stage free, to go from human being to being human. That's one small step for mankind, one giant leap of faith for planet Earth. And if we don't have a planet B, we may have a plan C to see the world through poetic eyes and fly like a bird, not a burden. I mean, what is the destiny of our galaxy if not a legacy of harmony? By any dreams necessary, please don't abort unity. This may be our last opportunity to meet our common destiny. Sustainability is our shared responsibility, as vulnerable communities are part of the same humanity. From the G7 to the V20, our duty is to reach a balanced and lasting prosperity, as what we do in life echoes in all the living species as a symphony. So dream high for departure. We got a green light on the future to reconcile us with nature. Yes, today we all rise. Us, not the temperature, but us as mature leaders with the power to heal the one world wonder and share the expenditures of the climate disorder caused by our human adventures. May this be our invitation to embark on a mission possible journey aboard the enlightened leader and partner spaceship. Your mission of life, home, should you decide to protect it, is to take a harmony shot at planet Earth. Not a moon shot, but an Earth shot, to connect the dots and change the plots on our way to the top before the planet gets too hot. Stop. Ready for launch? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Home heroes. 1 global conscience. 2 climate finance. 3 world renaissance. 4 love abundance. 5 human essence. Can you feel the resistance in our benevolence? It's humanity o'clock and the time has come to care not only about our sole income, but also about the world's outcome. So please come. Departure, home, H-O-M-E. Humanity on mission Earth. Ignition, liftoff, alignment, elevation, collaboration. Orbit trajectory, sobriety, biodiversity, and climate justice. Far awake landing, enlightenment, transformation, celebration. Destination, home, heaven on Mother Earth. Light years of life dreams, just imagine 8 billion people all co-creating equal. A dream we dream together is real, said a wise man from the Beatles. So fight for what's vital, not what's viral. Our planet is a sacred place, not a market with a target, but an asset to protect like a Stargate with a pledge and a global stocktake. So dear activists, world citizens, leaders and changemakers, what will your verse be tonight? And what is the price of life? It's time to do not what's easy, but what's right. We are the regeneration. So what will be your contribution to lower emissions, organize a fair transition, and design an enchanted horizon for the future generations? Climate justice is a must, and world peace is more than a plus on the planet's pulse. No matter the cost, either we all win or we're all lost. It's not about the South praying and the North paying. It's about whether or not our kids tomorrow can keep playing. So come on a date with humanity as our one life stand to reverse the trend for a happy end in our promised land with a clear climate action plan. Are you ready? We are many. World harmony. The time of poets and climate justice is coming. Yes, to be or not to be, giving, be healing, and believing, as we're all responsible for the same thing, and that is for the living. So be a poetic leader, imaginary, visionary, even revolutionary. We'll only be successful if our planet remains wonderful. So let's make being useful the new beautiful. You know, in the end, it's not about being the best to win the war. It's about doing our best to heal the world. So welcome to the Gala of Mankind with Gaia for a sustainable nirvana. The future is our next exit, home sweet home, from humanity on mission Earth to heaven on Mother Earth. As a rebirth, may we see one day the universe in one single, unique verse. Thank you, and climate justice for all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.